Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Hut. By now, we would have heard the shocking news that a new variant of coronavirus has started spreading in South Africa. Let's get to know the details about this variant in this video. The World Health Organization on Friday declared the recently discovered B11529 strain of COVID-19 to be a variant of concern and renamed it as Omicron. Now, what is meant by variant of concern? A virus strain is named as variant of concern because there is some evidence that it is more contagious and vaccines do not work well against it. This name, variant of concern, is reserved for dangerous variants, and these dangerous ones are named with Greek names. WHO decides if a virus strain should be named as a variant of interest or a variant of concern. WHO has so far identified 4 variants of concern: Alpha, Beta, Gamma and Delta. 2 variants of interest are Lambda, which was identified in Peru in December 2020, and Mu in Colombia in January 2021. Now, let's see how and when this Omicron originated. South African scientists detected a small number of this variant on Tuesday, and these samples were taken from November 14th till 16th. These samples were from Botswana, where researchers at the Botswana Harvard HIV Reference Laboratory in Gaborone sequenced the genes of coronaviruses from positive test samples. They found some samples sharing about even 50 mutations. These mutations were not found in such a combination before. Around the same time, researchers in South Africa found Omicron in a majority of cases in the province of Gauteng. On Wednesday 24th, South African scientists informed the government that they were concerned and asked the WHO to convene its technical working group on virus evolution. South Africa's daily infection rate nearly doubled on Thursday to 2,465 cases. It has identified around 100 cases of the variant now, mostly from its most populated province Gauteng, and it is also present in other 8 provinces. Now currently, Botswana detected 4 cases, Hong Kong has 1 case, and Israel has 1 case, and also Belgium also has 1 case. Now, the global authorities have raised a great alarm to this coronavirus variant. The European Union, Britain, India, all the Gulf countries, Philippines had announced stricter border controls now. Now, let's see more about this new variant. South African and UK scientists informed that this Omicron variant has over 30 mutations of the spike protein that the viruses use to get into human cells. And this is very concerning to all the scientists. This is nearly about double the number of Delta variant and makes this variant very different from the original coronavirus. Hence, there is a question if the current COVID vaccines would be effective. Also, these mutations could help it to fight against the body's immune response and make it more transmissible. The variant is relatively easy to distinguish in PCR tests from the Delta variant, and this Omicron variant is the most infectious so far. Unlike Delta, this has a mutation known as the S gene dropout. UK Health Security Agency Chief Medical Advisor Dr. Susan Hopkins told BBC that some mutations had not been seen before and termed this variant as the most complex variant seen so far. Now, what is more critical about these 30 mutations? We have already seen that the researchers found more than 30 mutations on a protein called spike on the surface of the coronavirus. This spike protein is the chief target of antibodies that the human body's immune system produces to fight a COVID-19 infection. So, many mutations means that Omicron spike might be able to win against our antibodies, and hence the whole world is alarmed about this variant. Now, what do the scientists tell about this new variant? Researchers say that vaccines will most likely protect against Omicron, but further studies are needed to determine how much of the shot's effectiveness may be reduced. Still, vaccines are expected to produce some protection against Omicron because they stimulate not only antibodies but immune cells that can attack the infected cells. So, now having known all about this new variant Omicron, it's our responsibility to be more vigilant and follow all the safety protocols like wearing masks, washing hands, maintaining social distancing, avoiding crowds and events, and most importantly, get vaccinated if not done earlier. Thanks for watching. Bye. Stay safe.